the full service and an agency called Retail-Outsource. We're based in Ashford, which I believe isn't too far away from you. Just wanted to bring this video to your attention just to kind of, essentially I've found this listing on Amazon and I identified it could be maybe grabbing a bit more market share than it currently is. So if we look at market share numbers, you can see that your listing here is down in 6th, which obviously you're beating a lot of competitors there. And then you look at Easy Life Go at the top there, they're on 450k per month. Just for one keyword. So it's something I've aimed for, isn't it? So let's have a quick look into the numbers I've prepared for you. This is Data Dive. This is a premium tool that basically analyses Amazon's performance products. Here's your listing here. You can see the revenue numbers here, 37k, and you see the amount of keywords we've got on page 1. Essentially, this is just a way to sort of signify how well your listing is optimized. We've got 41% of the available keywords. We could have this up a little bit more, but this is just a niche down. So we're saying that here's 333. That's how many keywords that ideally, I mean, in the best optimized list of Amazon, we're around 95% ranking page 1. And it's something to aim for. It's a relatively quick fix that we can do for you. And if we look at the Easy Life Go, the market share that's up there, they've got 80%. So I know that I'll go through the content in a second, but their content might not be as great as their Chinese seller, but in terms of SEO, they're doing very well. So if you just have a quick look at your listing here, your title looks great. A lot of SEO strength there. But Amazon have recently changed the policy that you can't repeat keywords or repeat, so you're double there. So you strengthen that. So harmless and not help it. So that's a quick fix that we can do for you. And then if we go through your images, great. So look at those, they're fantastic. Bullet points are good. I'd say there's some extra room in there for more SEO or just variations. So you'll just find them on front. Essentially, I see a lot of strong double-sided tape in there. Double-sided tape again. If we just vary the keyword selection up a little bit, it just means that you'll try for more different places. You've got a brand section, which is great. I'd probably use that for more of kind of what it said to me is from the brand section. So it's a good way to place yourself as a premium brand. If you're kind of against Chinese sellers and stuff, but their branding is strong. It's a way that you differentiate yourself. Grade Plus is decent. There is a bit of room for improvement. Obviously, I don't mind this bit down the bottom, but it's really low. This is something we like to tidy up. Again, it's just the way that we can show that you're a pretty brand. So we then look at the Easy Life Go. The images, I see, are just better than theirs. Maybe theirs are a little bit straight to the point. So their title, I'd say their title is probably stronger than yours, just in the sense that they've got more keyword variation. So again, they'll have more fronts. The products have got a little more detail here, without reading it going into too much. I imagine they're back into keywords, which isn't necessarily good for us. But we could definitely probably do things slightly closer to more SEO strength rather than descriptions. Going on to their made by content. Again, I mean, it's not that much better than yours. But one thing I did notice with the project with this tool here, this one, we'll see that they're actually using the alt text in the back end of their made by content to use it as extra keyword variation. So they're getting mounted tape in there, they're getting wall tape in there. You can actually do a lot better than this. There's actually 100 characters in each of these fields, so they're doing okay, but it just kind of shows that the competition who their list is performing a decent amount better than yours in terms of SEO strength and doing it properly either. So it's something we can definitely work on. Just kind of build your listing up as you're already there with the premium side of things. Obviously, you've got the UK badge there, which is great. It's just, for me, it's one of those things where some people have got more market share than you, obviously listen to them well. I'll take it. If this is of interest to you and you'd like a quick chat, maybe you can spare 5 minutes later in the week, or I mean, we're obviously not a million miles away, so we'd like to have over a coffee or something like that, just to chat through them. Happy to do that. We're also actually offering a free list optimization as well, just to kind of show you what we can do and try before you buy sort of thing. So thanks for your time, and if you want to get in touch, you know, it's handy. So cheers.